I also,
Uday sir.
yeah,
Uday sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Please start with the today topic because Ganga Sagar sir
Yeah,
net slow. Today network problem. So
yes. So today's topic is functions of RBI, right? So the first major function would be, see, whenever you have currency notes, like if you if you are a, if you are having money in your pocket, you take and see that any note, it will have the symbol of RBI printed on it. So the first major function, we can say that RBI prints the currency for us. Like, it is the central bank. Every country will have a central bank. Uh, so in different countries there are different central banks. In our country we have RBI as our central bank, and so the first one is printing currency, and RBI acts as a supervision and regulatory body. So we have various financial institutions such as banks. Uh, See, whenever it comes to supervision and regulation, there should be some supervision in any organization. If not, there would be, for example, consider students writing exam. Generally, what happens in schools and colleges, uh, when they are writing exams, they try to, if they don't know some question, they try to take help there uh, from friends who are sitting front or back. It is okay, it's one or two questions if we clear the doubt, but uh, imagine this situation if you are taking the book into the examination hall and uh, directly copying the entire questions, like the entire paper. So it happens in distance courses. In TV channels also we have seen. So in some distance courses where there are working people who just only want the degree for qualification purposes. So they go and write like that. The conducting people take some money and do that. So that is a wrong thing. That cannot be done. So in if that is happening, suddenly the squad comes. Yes, no. When the squad comes, everyone feels. So they are doing wrong and this is not right. They will be afraid, they will throw whatever the material they are keeping. So we can say that RBI is like that. It has some rules and regulations which has to be followed by every bank in our country. So
directly
when
control every bank.
yes. So let me share you the basic structure of banking. So in order to know all this, it is necessary that structure of banking system, like banking system in India. So there are the number of banks are divided into scheduled and non-scheduled banks. Like
Okay, two type of bank. One schedule and one is non-schedule.
not two types, they are divided in, all the banks are divided into type,
Two
uh,
type.
scheduled and non-scheduled. So
Okay.
what is scheduled means, if the working capital of the banks is more than 5 lakhs, Like if you have a bank in your town or city and it is operating, it is having more than 5 lakhs as working capital. Working capital means which has as apart from the given loans and deposits, it still has more than 5 lakh rupees. It is called scheduled bank. And non-scheduled bank means which has less than 5 lakhs working capital. So we can say that in India, if we want to divide the people like above the poverty line and below the poverty line, we can say it like that. Those scheduled and non-scheduled banks, if the working capital is less than 5 lakhs, then those banks are called as non-scheduled banks. And if the working capital of the banks is more than 5 lakhs, then they are called as uh, scheduled banks. And it is mentioned in the Banking Regulation Act 1965. Uh,
Okay, sir.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir. So, Gurmanand, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir, Gurmanand.
Yeah. So I think today Sagar sir is not with us. I think.
Yeah, some problem with Sagar, sir. Internet problem.
Oh, he's facing some internal problem. Okay. So today our topic is about RBI. Is it? So as you know, RBI is the big bank of the big. What will we say? I want to give them a big a new name. Big B, like Amitabh Bachchan. They are the big B in banking sector. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Because they are controlling everything, and not only in India, there are in everywhere, in every country, they have a big, they have a one bank that could control the all banks, the all small bank, and that control that big bank, the big bank should be controlled by the government. There is every country has that type of bank, and this is necessary because if you are giving everyone to what to print the money, to print everything, then it will be so what frago. It will be a mixture for the country. So this type of thing should be happen, and this is the as I make a small what as I learn study a little small thing about the RBI, and I get RBI started from 1930 before
In,
our 1935.
yes, sir.
1930 or 1935 before
19,
our
1935. Anybody
yeah.
correct?
On April
So
1935.
Okay, sir.
yes, April
And
1935.
you think
No,
this is
sir.
the gift from
1959.
hello?
Yeah, this is before. Yes, sir. Please, this is before our
Yeah.
independence, sir. You think that means
No, no,
that
sir.
was also
Actually,
started?
no, it is, I think, January 1949.
No, no,
No,
no, sir.
from
This
the
is
35 only.
sir. 1935 is correct. I think 85
Yeah,
years.
It's a foundation
1935.
day.
Yeah, that was the foundation day. That means from that onwards we have the control in our India. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point?
Yeah.
Because of that only we made a foundation for our India development. That means from that onwards we have the control. And all people are said that in 19 what in 14 in 49 we get the in 47 we get the independence. That means there is some what those are the big persons on that on that time they they say us something lying. They lying us. What are the situation actually going with what UN UN committee, and those are the situation And actually today I make some analysis when I study about this topic, and I think about in my mind, yeah, this is right. If we make our foundation in 1935, that means that from that onwards we have the independence. From that onwards we have the control in India.
Yeah.
So yeah, some people are just pretend us, isn't it? Pretend to India. And that time also we don't have that much of technology, because lack of the technology we couldn't get the proper news. Let it be. This is something I will learn this topic. And what I will say, RBI controlling the every money, a penny of the what, a single money of the country. This is a big rule I think they are conducting, and I don't know that much of idea about the RBI. Okay, thank you. I will be say whenever I get any point. Thank you.
Okay, sir. So, Tanmay sir, what do you think? This
Yeah.
is a gift from British Raj, because
I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Nahi,
for us, mind use only British mind.
I think that British is founded that RBI for their profit, but eventually after the independence, now we are getting benefited of that foundation, just like railway and other things. That British started many things for their convenience, not for India to develop. They never want to develop an India, and they feels they feel that the profit that
British are no last cases.
hello.
Yeah, Britishers know every part or every work of our RBI. So,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that after independence we amend some work.
yeah. No, I think that British thought that we are more for more than for 100 or 150 years after 34 also 1934. So that I think they think it will be benefited for us for next 100 year. They don't think that they get just independence after 20 years. So that they found it. Am I,
After
it,
20 India independent, we get independence.
yeah, yeah. Hello, sound is unclear.
Sir,
But
my
I
sound is hello,
Hello.
yes, hello.
hello. Sound is unclear.
Yeah, yeah.
Now,
It's breaking.
Brahmanan sir, please. Hello.
Hello.
Now it's audible. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Now it's audible.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So, yes, sir. Continue.
Actually, I think that those are the leaders. Those are the big leaders in our country. That time, I am not making any kind of what wrong
Politics.
thing or wrong word on them. But I thought that in my profession, because I am an individual, so I could have the individual profession also.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I thought that that was just baptized. They push from that time in your mind. I think they know that is going to happen. That will happen within some year, and they just pretend us, and they just but hide the true what is going to happen. Because we all know after the Second World War, everything was so clear. Everything was discussed in UN committee, and that
And
from that onwards, British also agreed to put independence to India. Okay, let it be. That will be a different topic for us now.
RBI helped British in World War, and they get money from our India.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Um, yeah, RBI,
Eh,
it is
you think RBI is helpful for our regional bank, just like Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, or regional bank, Baroda Bank, Grameen Bank?
yeah, it is very really needful because it is a central bank and it is also fulfill our notes because it is also printed currency in India and it is just I think lower like that I mean oldest bank, so it is also founded by Britishers, but after got independence and after I think 2 years in 1949, India got honor this
It's not matter who is the owner, because every time one owner means sometime king, different king, Maurya, Gupta, Chandragupta, so different. But what do you think? RBI need also intelligence. Because, you see many big businessmen do corruption and take our money, use money and go foreign. So why RBI not control? Intelligence mistake, because
Yeah,
RBI
but
intelligence
RBI
zero.
is providing much loan to anyone people who want to just establish his own company. So RBI is providing loans and many of the things and fulfill the also any small banks also. They are
So
just
ruling government also means in control. RBI
hmm
control government.
Yeah, so corruption is everywhere. So in Reserve Bank, they're also having corruption.
Yes, sir. So our Indian government only release 1 rupee note, or means 1 rupee, and after all note from RBI.
Yes, 1 rupees.
Okay, sir. Okay. Sagar sir.
Hello.
Hello, Sagar sir. Please try to speak. Maybe you are audible.
No. Yes, I think Sagar sir also
Yeah, network is very poor, I think.
Hello, am I?
big pro.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
There is much network issue here. Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
yes. Now
please
you are audible.
continue. Please continue, sir. Actually, there is much poor network.
And yeah, Nikhil sir,
Yes, sir.
Policy Bazaar.
Yes, sir. I know. Policy Bazaar. Yeah.
Yeah, can you tell me about it? I was seen right now one ad. There were 1 crore. If any one person have a registration and born
Sir,
1965 to and
everyone has spoken.
yeah.
Everyone has spoken.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everyone is spoken. Yeah.
Okay, I think RBI controlling the our India with a smooth manner. The RBI is so needful to control and make the stability, the money stability. You could say the cash stability. Like there is in this couple month ago. What I think it's 3 months before there was some bank get bankrupt, and that time RBI and some other banks help them and create help them to grow up. So this is need. This is necessary. There should be a
But
central bank.
sir, you talking about those bank not 2-3 months ago. I think 9-10 months ago.
Maybe because of the corona. Actually, because of the corona, there is no difference between 10 months and 3 months.
No,
This is
no.
just like say.
Before lockdown, before COVID, also one bank bankrupt,
I think
and
after corona.
what those bank do, give more interest, and people are in greedy and give means invest more money, and then bank is corrupt. But yeah, RBI help.
RBI and LIC, I think LIC and some Union Bank or who, I don't know the particular name, whose banker help that bank, and that bank has the stability now. I think this is good. I
So
think
Uday,
like in our area,
Yes.
in our local area,
yeah,
whenever any people getting what poor and poor we are whenever any boys any family not getting the food, that time also in village area, I think mostly in village area people are giving them shelter, food. This is the man what humanity.
So
So like
sir, Jandan account is helpful for those.
Jonathan, I'm not talking about the Jonathan. Any kind of facility, those have been what provided from the government side. I'm talking about the humanity. Okay, so this is
Oh,
the
sir,
what do we
when
call for the bank?
this
Bank.
corona pandemic, our Indian saw too much humanity compared to all world.
So my point is that when we are talking about humanity, human from human, the humanity what has become. So from bank, what will be the word? Bangnity. What will be the word? So charity, under the charity.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
So
So
with
RBI
that, sir,
doing that kind of work to stabilize the other bank. Yes, sir. Thank you. This is a
okay, sir.
comedy section.
Yes, sir. So today, sir, what you want? What you think? Private bank is good or a government bank is helpful? Who give more service?
Sir, the
It
question is for me or
depends on service.
Sir, this is a question for sir Uday, sir.
oh, this.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir. Uday.
The government banks, the banking system, as far the banking system is concerned, it is like divided into commercial and non-commercial.
Yeah.
Under the commercial banks, there are both like private sector banks and also the public sector banks. See, under public sector banks, we have SBI, these banks. Even these banks are also operate in terms of profit only. So they also uh, pro looks for the for earning the profit, and those which are hugely helpful for the like rural areas. So those banks we can say as cooperative banks, like uh, these banks provide loans for small industry businesses, like anybody who are in villages, they want to start some small entrepreneurship programs or small
Small poultry farm or other small farm or
rural
other
regional banks. Yes,
agriculture.
yes,
So means
yes.
for
Any
solar
type of
you
agriculture.
yeah.
Hello, hello,
Yes.
hello.
Sir, please, you are audible.
Yeah, I have one question.
Yes.
That how bank recover their money if someone make fraud with that bank, just like Vijay Mallya, and he has no left or any property or no any income, then how bank recover their losses?
Sir, we
Vijay
have no
Mallya make a
sir, hello. We have no
hello.
idea about businessman, but we know how bank recover their money from a poor farmer or poor
Yes,
people.
yes. This
Yeah,
is one of the worst situation in our country. Those who are unable to pay, like we say that what do you call loyalty?
Yeah.
Yeah, the poor farmers are very loyal. If they are unable to repay, they are ready to they die on their own land fields, but they don't go out. But whenever the rich businessman, so if something goes wrong, and they are ready to leave the countries, and banks sometimes they they show they show more interest towards the businessman, but not the poor farmers. uh,
do you have
Actually, it is very tough to recover from those people who go off like that. So
One more reason, because they do all work legally, means legally fraud.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
legally.
Insolvency
have
petition, something.
do you have any
Yes, sir.
suggestion that how bank can be prevent such frauds?
Himanshu sir, please give suggestion.
Hello, how can the bank prevent this scam
Yes, sir.
or fraud?
Himanshu
Hello.
sir,
Any,
please.
any suggestions?
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Himanshu, give suggestion. Himanshu sir, please give suggestion to the
yeah.
what you think or what you
I
assume.
Or
I think
imagine if you will
uh,
become a bank reserve bank manager. Hello.
hello. Please.
Hello.
Himanshu sir, how you recover your money? Suppose Tanmay sir is a big businessman and do a fraud. How you
Yeah.
recover your money?
Or how can we
Uh,
prevent from such frauds? Of
How can you
upcoming
prevent?
frauds or new frauds?
yeah. I think this is depends his capital, total capital, and this business growth. So we trust means a banker trust with person. How is the these people total capital? Then what's their business? This is growing
Okay,
or
sir.
not growing, then depends if uh, he thought in future their business was upside, then he got the loan. If if he think about this is go wrong, means low side, then he was not prepared to give him loan. So
Okay, sir. Okay, Himanshu sir.
yeah,
And I
yeah,
give another, how you recover your money when one auto rickshaw take loan
yeah,
of 1 lakh rupees from your bank and buy a
yeah.
new auto rickshaw and not able to pay your money on time. So how you recover? You directly send your bouncer.
Yeah, this is only one reason.
Rickshaw driver.
Their rickshaw,
Take
their
away
rickshaw is under the bank. The bank uh,
yeah,
covered
yeah.
this under, and he was selling other things, and he was prepare our money.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah,
Barmanan
Nikhil
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir, please. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Please conclude.
Conclude. So
Hello.
you start from your side.
Okay, from my side.
Sir, before we
Uh,
conclude, before we conclude, please ask to everyone their query or question are solved. Or anybody wants to say something.
Yeah, I have
Be-
collected just points of functions of RBI that
Yes,
I want to
yes.
deliver, but discussion was going on so I thought
We
at
discuss
the end I will deliver.
one feature.
Hello.
You also tell second feature
Yes, yes,
also.
please.
Yes, sir.
I have just collected from net,
Yes,
so
sir.
I will be honest because this is not of my interest because I am from medical, so I don't know about RBI. But
RBI, sir, bank is for all. All
all
need
yeah, you know, but I
you
have
are
just
doctor,
collected
you
from
need
net.
a one institute
Hello.
or other. Yes, sir. For
Yeah.
dispensary, other clinic,
Okay.
you require loans.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm going to deliver the Reserve Bank. Firstly, the now our current governor of the Reserve Bank is Shaktikanta Das, and
Yes.
Reserve Bank was first founder of Reserve Bank was British Raj, and there are mainly two functions of RBI: monetary functions and non-monetary functions. Uh, and monetary functions are related to mainly money, and it delivers money who wants, and it takes a bank receipt of that money deliver, and it in monetary functions it involves exchange of money from one bank to other bank and from bank to government. It all involves that it's the things are happen all over under the receipt. So and second is the issue of currency means RBI mainly design printing, distribution, and provide and supply of clean notes and clean and genuine notes. That are the main functions of RBI. After the Modi that stopped, now new currency is going after the Modi. I don't know that date. I think 1 year has gone for this, 1 or 2. I don't know. Now there are second functions is to bankers to government. Mainly government for if government has to organize any functions or any things, they have to take money from the banks and bank you loan to the government, and instead government keeps its cash balance on current account with central bank, and mainly central bank provide whole whole money to state government also and central government also. And
And
third function is that banker to banker means it transfer funds, and all the substitute banks that already told Punjab National Bank and other banks that requires money that transfers from central bank. And there are one department that is statistical
status
function. Statistical function of RBI, I think, is the most important function. It
okay.
involves graphical representation, and it has the all record that transaction has been done and what are the this. I think this is the one of the most important. And if this department works properly, I think there will be no fraud. And um, and control of credit is another function. Control of credit that supply money in economic crisis are there just like in corona pandemic. This control of credit functions, um, and it is used to control demand, and it supplies the money when we require as per the demand. And if government does not have enough money in just like pandemic, it require lots of money. At that time also, as per the demand, it supplies loan and money to the government. And second function is non-monetary functions of RBI. That is not related to the money. Above all the that we things that we are discussing, monetary functions are all transaction related, and that means they are directly related to the money. In that there was involvement of transaction, bank receipt and all, and there involve printing. But second is non-monetary function. It is the collection and publication of the data and statistical analysis that I already told. And foreign exchange, that means Indian rupees are converted into dollar if you have to go somewhere. This is non-monetary function that Indian rupees are converted into dollar or euros, and euros are into. These are non-monetary functions of RBI. RBI not only produce our currency note also, but it also helps to if you have to go somewhere, and uh, if you have to go somewhere in the foreign unit, euros or dollars, as per your country, we have to go. So these are provided by our Reserve Bank of India, as all you know. And regulatory and supervisory is there are another department that regulate and supervisor all the things of monetary and non-monetary also, that regulates and supervision of all that. If you someone watched that web series of Scam 1992, if anyone watched that, regulatory and supervisory department had work in that. It they that the analysis of all the transactions that are gone through SBI. And last was development and promotion. Development and promotion department is for the agriculture and farmer sector. It is the one of the main function, I think, for India, because India is a city of agriculture. And they promote that promoting agriculture sector with a low interest, and they provide funds. And this is I think one of the best function of RBI, where there is involvement of agriculture and farmers. So that's it.
Okay. When anybody need any bank need some money or some loan, so RBI also check a report card.
They depend on transaction.
No, any bank report
Yes.
card. Yes.
So yeah, Tanmay has covered everything in a good way, but I feel there is one thing. Uh, In the third point of the monetary functions, so Tanmay said RBI is banker to banks. Yes.
Yes,
So
yeah.
there are something called as key rates. I thought it is missing in this discussion. So
That
in
what
the key rates, yes.
that was actually happened in Harshad Mehta scam. Did you hear it? That all banks are linked to RBI transaction, and the
Yeah.
transaction was held in SBI bank, but all
Yes.
are indirectly linked to RBI, so RBI investigated that.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that the key rates like CRR, SLR. So anybody have the idea of repo rate and reverse repo rate?
I don't know.
Okay, that's not a problem. And see, whenever it comes to banks, the banks, the people go and put the money into the banks in terms of deposits, right?
Yeah.
So everyone understand that people deposit the money. What bank does? Bank takes the money and gives loan. So it cannot give all the money. For example, if bank get 1 crore rupees in terms of deposit and it gives entire 1 crore rupee as loans to different people, uh, then there will be a problem
Yeah,
because
because how other
yes.
some
So
people take their own money from bank, so how bank pay?
yeah, but whenever they come to take their money, it will become a problem. So the RBI keeps the rules like you have to have certain amount of money in the
How
liquidity terms.
how
Hello.
yeah
Yeah,
how
liquid term. Hello. Hello.
Someone asking something?
I ask how
Yeah.
is percentage of amount?
It's inaudible. Can you please repeat?
I'm how much percentage?
Yeah, that is called the key rates come in like cash reserve ratio. It is there are many key rates like cash reserve ratio and statutory liquid ratio, repo rate and reverse repo rate. Let me tell you the percentages. So the present percentages are uh, cash reserve ratio, so which the cash should be uh, with them is 3%. For example, if you have deposit 100 rupees, uh, cash reserve ratio is something which goes to the our reserve bank. So 3% of the money will be gone to the reserve bank, and statutory liquid ratio is 18%, and repo rate is 4%, and reverse repo rate is 3.35%. So it is very deep thing. Generally, it's not required, and yes, if you are interested, then you can
Okay, sir.
research on this. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Brahmanand sir, how RBI prevent from jali means illegal notes? Because this is a very big problem for our country.
Sir, actually, the fake note is not a big problem for the RBI because whenever any kind of money is going for the or going to the bank, they have a machine they could check it. The question should be that how to will be prevent what the fake notes in outside because in outside only those are the people those don't have that much of idea about the what the notes.
No, yes,
Those
yes.
people, the
Currency is
currency,
legal or
they
illegal.
people are only getting the, yeah, they are only facing the problem, not the bank, because bank have the machine.
Bank
You
not facing,
can,
RBI not facing, but yeah, RBI not accept or not facing, but this is a responsibility also, RBI responsibility, because
so
RBI issue new note or currency.
this is a problem. This is not a problem for the RBI only. This is a problem for all the
Yeah,
India.
this is a problem for entire country in GDP
Yeah,
also.
exactly. Yeah, because by through what is happening, people are what just keeping the original money, and they just spread their duplicate money all over the time. And one more thing is that by through what is happening, our money, there is a we all know there is a rules and regulation by through what is our increment, and according to our GDP, the money was printed, isn't it?
Yeah,
So by through what will be happen, more money will be come to our India, that will be spoil our what the what the stability, you could say, and that will be create some more problem. And the main thing is that those are the poor people who only facing the problem, because they don't have that much of knowledge, they are not aware about it, and they are facing the problem. So by the, what when the fake note is the concern, the one thing is that I will be say, government should give the proper awareness to the people, then only it could be eradicated. Otherwise there is no way to eradicate this problem, because those are the innocent people who will be took the money, those fake money to the banks. Those are the
Mhm.
innocent people, those don't have any idea, is it a fake note or is it a original note. Then otherwise a well-known person, why he will be take that for what money to bank, he will be what use that in anywhere, what in outside, because
Yeah.
all people
And
know if any
bank
fake note is going to the
destroy,
bank, then they're not
bank
going to give
destroy
you.
or remove those fake note immediately.
Yes, they will remove that fake note, and one more thing is that they're not going to give you that return, give
No,
you that fake note the return.
they
So
ask
this
where
is
are you
they
found?
could they could file a case on you.
Yeah, when you
So
should
those,
give me back.
yes, the main thing is that those are the innocent people. They are only facing the problem, not those are the clever people. Clever people are making the adversity. And
Yeah,
as said that time, as that time, how to will be remove this problem? What that bankrupt problem? Because those are the big businessmen. They only pretending the government, but the bank, after getting taking lots of money, they're just using that money with a lavish way, and using that money either and thither, and then after they just showing that our money is loose of our hand, we are bankrupt. So government should be give us the compensation, government should be give us the compensation. So but all people know they're not using money, they're not losing their money, they're just keeping their money with another way, another path on their other account, and they just put predict would not predict, they're pretending the government. This is the problem, and there is no way. This is the adversity in our India. There is no way to pretend that what protect this kind of problem. If the government official could what
sir,
they want to do, what
India we
they
not
have that.
in India we not prevent from illegal migrants from means Bangladeshi Rohingya. How we prevent a note?
Sorry. Yes,
We
yes, yes, yes.
not
This is,
prevent,
yeah.
yeah, illegal migrants. Yeah,
Yes, because you can't imagine whenever any person shall urge you something, that they will be urge you like a urging manner, like a beggar, isn't it? If
yeah,
I have some problem, then I will be urge you. I don't have money to feed myself. Give some money. After you give me my money, I will say, who are you?
yeah. Okay, after we hello, Bruman sir. Hello, sir, you are not audible. Hello, Bruman
Yes,
sir.
yes. Now audible. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you are audible. When you
Hello.
give a beggar need a money,
Yes,
and
yes.
when you give money to beggar and beggar say, "Who are you?" After taking a
No,
money,
no, sir. Oh, sir,
What
I'm
is
not
your
talking about the beggar. I'm not talking about the
no?
beggar.
This is
I'm talking about
example.
your
Example.
friend. No, sir,
You're
I'm
talking
talking
about
about your friend. Yes, sir, your friend. When he has some problem, what he will be say? I don't have money. Give some money, like a beggar, isn't it? After you
yes, yes,
gave
yes.
them the money, what he will say?
The
I
friends
don't know you. Who are you?
yeah.
And I lose the money. I'm not able to
Hmm.
give you. That's it. What you will do? There is no way. Like this only. There is no way to pretend this kind of what to confine this kind of problem. If the government, the corruption, main thing is the corruption because we all know what the big businessmen are are doing. They're just giving some money to the bank manager, just and just taking the lots of money from the government. So if they think that this is their obligation to protect what their money, what the government money, they should use the government money with the right way. This is their obligation, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if they just forget their what for their joined. So what we will do? We are joined the military, the what the defense to do what protect our country. If they just forget their what their duty, then what will we do? There is nothing. People will come to our India. What will we do? Sir, nothing way. No way is there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, sir, we go on conclusion or anybody else?
Yes, we
Anybody
need to give our conclusion now.
okay, so Mansu sir, please give conclusion. Hello. Sir, please give two-line conclusion because
From
we
my
are
side,
two. Yes, sir. Your side, Himanshu sir.
oh,
Every side means. Hello, Himanshu sir, are here or not?
Yes, but
Any,
my mic is on.
sir, mic is hello.
Oh, please, Himanshu sir, have to unmute their mic.
Okay, sir. Tanmay, sir, please.
No, I'm not going to
No,
continue. Please, there are
maybe he go
other,
for some. So
other.
please start.
No, you can conclude also. I don't know the more about this. Sorry.
Uday sir. Uday sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. So yes, as every town has a police station which supervises all the citizens are doing the right things. So RBI is like that for all the financial institutions. So recently the CKP Corporation Bank's license was cancelled, and there is Milat Cooperative Bank which is in Karnataka. So it 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs has been imposed on it, and on the non-compliance with the directions issued by RBI. And so yeah, uh, in order to it acts like that. So RBI is necessary to keep all the financial institutions in the right manner. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Now, Tanmay sir, please.
Yeah, I have one question. In that, if bank is giving if bank is giving a loan to persons like businessmen or businessmen, that amount is in crore. Um,
Sir,
they should then bank should have then
also,
hello hello.
when we see in Axis Bank one case against Axis Bank, so we see CEO also engaged or manager also engaged, chief manager. So they are also engaged in this fraud.
Yeah, and I think they should be in the radar of that businessman if they are taking such a huge amount.
Hmm.
Why don't they think that they should be in the radar of, and why didn't they take help of uh, committees or police? I think so. Why
Because
bank?
they do smartly. They showing we are in a very profit, but they are in real in loss.
Yeah.
In loss, but they're showing we are in more profit. That's why.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Conclusion. Hello, Dharmesh sir, you complete? Okay, sir. Now, Brahmanan sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Actually, main thing is that the RBI here, where we discuss a lot of things, but for the middle class family, for the poor family, our thing is that our concern is what is bank. Bank is a safe place to keep our money, isn't it? So when the bank name is come to our mind, we know we are depositing our money with a what safe hand. This is only our what concern, and the RBI controlling and giving the security to us. This is a big thing for us, and for the businessman concern, the thing is that this is a lottery chamber. Okay, bank is a lottery chamber. So they are also using the bank like that. Whenever they want to make any kind of scam, they are just using they're just giving the bank manager to some money, and they're just taking lots of money from the government. So there is a big huge difference between the when we are talking about the bank according to the poor people and the middle class people, and according to the businessmen. So this is the main concern, I think, for us and for the every person. I think the main concern is that RBI giving us the security, our money security. This is a big thing, isn't it? Because
Yes, sir.
nowadays we are, yeah, yes, sir. Thank you. There is
Yes, sir.
no, and other thing they have some rational words and topic. If you are go through with every topic, then they have some rational words, rational point. But
Yes.
this is so clear. The bank, the RBI giving us the security. Yeah. Thank you.
RBI, SBI came because SBI have also more responsibility.
Yes, yes. They are the protector.
So yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So sir,
Hey, hey,
hmm?
hey, hey, Ali, hey, I, hello.
You are not audible. Yes, sir. So my conclusion is RBI is very important and gift for us because when we say South Asia country compared to our bank, means our compared to our system organization as RBI, they have no these type of. So that's why we grow fast and it's very helpful for our growth. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. And last call, one more last call to hello, Himanshu sir. Last call to Himanshu sir. Himanshu sir, Brahmanan sir, what we do? I
Yes,
think
sir.
Himanshu.
Okay, sir. I think Himanshu sir is not here, so we have
No,
to.
no, he is here. Himanshu sir, please give conclusion. Yeah. We are
So
waiting for you.
actually, I am in market.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Distance.
Okay, sir. Let
Yes.
it be, sir. Let continue. Conclude our topic. Finish our discussion. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Yes.
Take
Good
care.
night.
Thank you, sir.